What's up everybody, it's your girl Abby from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really beautiful and super easy Dutch braided hairstyle planned for you, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And then I'm also giving away a couple of my very most favorite eyeshadow palettes. This is the ColourPop Intendre palette. Just to kind of show you guys that I love you. Thanks so much for supporting me and watching my videos. So all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then in the comments below let me know your name and where you're from, and I'll pick a winner in next week's video description box, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, without further ado, don't forget to subscribe right down there, that little red button. Go click it and subscribe, and then let's get started. Okay babes, I'm throwing in a 2-clipped weft extension right here because I need the length on those top layers. So just ignore that until I stretch out the braid. And then you're going to snag a small section of hair on top. I'm a couple inches down and an inch or so back. And then divide it into 3 sections, and we're going to do a Dutch braid. So the outer strands are going under the middle section. And after your first stitch, add a new section to the bottom strand and braid it under the middle. And then you're gonna switch your fingers over and add a new section to the top strand and braid it under the middle. And this is your second stitch. I turned around right here so I could make sure I was covering my clip well enough, and then we're back at it again with the Dutch braid. So if you've never done a Dutch braid before, I have a really great tutorial for beginners. Just click that I button up there in the corner and you can watch it if you need it for some extra help. And then you're just gonna keep braiding back at a slight angle down towards the center of your head. If you have them and if you need them, I'm gonna throw in a couple single weft extensions underneath the braid. I can get my braids super fat without them, but my top layers are a lot shorter than the rest of my hair, so I need them for the length. We're just gonna keep on braiding down, stretching the braid as we go so that it's nice and full. You're gonna hold the end of the braid taut, and then with the other hand, gently pinch the outside strands of the hair to make the braid bigger. And then if you're putting in single weft extensions, just make sure that they're covered. Once you reach the back of your head, you're going to stop adding in new sections and just braid it all the way down. And then you're going to stretch out the braid a little bit and tie it off with a clear elastic. Once the braid is secure, I like to go back through the braid and stretch it out even further. You'll want to go really slow and steady here, just because if you pull it out too much, you're going to tug out shorter layers and loosen the braid. Then you can leave it like this, or I saw my friend Aynsley put a couple twists into hers on Instagram, and I thought it was so cute, so I'll link her account up below. Make sure to check her out. You're just going to gather a small section of hair a few inches back from the front and then twist it away from your face. And then you're going to hold the end taut with one hand, and with the other you're going to gently tug and pull out those tiny pieces of the twist, and this is just going to give it more texture and volume. Then we're going to hide it underneath the braid and secure it in place with a bobby pin, and then you're going to take another small section right in front of the first and just repeat. You can see what a big difference the basic twist looks like compared to when you actually pull the small sections of it out. So you're going to make it all fat and nice and then pin it in place underneath the braid with another bobby pin. I wanted the twist to stay smushed together, so I took a bobby pin and secured them underneath together. And that's it, a super simple braid with a really pretty twist to it. See what I did there? Anyway, I would love to know what you guys think about this braid in the comments below. And that's it, super cute, huh? I kind of love this braid right now. So don't forget to enter the ColourPop giveaway. I'm giving away a couple of these, and I'll let the winners know in the description box of next week's video. And if you liked this braid, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Let's see if we can get it to 1,000 thumbs up, and hopefully we see you in the next video. Bye guys!